flying up above. We both need a little love. Hiding a million different things. Waiting for the night.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. We're going to La Union and we're here sa Partas Bus Terminal. Akala namin makakasakay kami ng 3 a.m. Eh, nandito na kami ng 2:15. Nandito na kami. Umalis na daw yung 3 a.m. na bus. Bakit? Bakit di mo kami inantay? So, ang naantay lang namin yan is yung pang 4 a.m. So, I'm here with Crystal. Trisha. We're going to LUH. So, inaantay namin sina Joanna, Chelsea, Jessie, Marvy. Sina Crystal at saka Trisha dumaan sa condo ko. So, sabay-sabay kami nang punta dito. Ayun, ano na, time check, it's already 2:28 a.m. Hindi pa kami nakabook ng ticket kasi sabi daw nila i-announce na lang if magbo-book na ng ticket. So, let's just wait.
Guys, ang sungit ng guard dito. Ay, level fail. Isa lang tira, gano'n. Daya na. Ay, po!
Ay, katabi ko si Chelsea. Ayun! Ayun! So, nandito na kami, guys. Bumaba na kami sa bus. And we're currently walking papunta sa hotel. Nandito na kami.
Hala, gagi! Struggle is real.
Isa pa. Last one. Guys, may hagdan. Tignan nyo naman yung likuran ko. Guys, we're here na sa hotel namin. Look at the CR. Common CR, guys. Shared CR siya, pero it's giving naman. Malinis naman siya. Kanya-kanyang vanity mirror. Ang kakarating pa lang. Laptop na siya eh. Mga work from home girlies. So, room tour tayo, guys. So, we're staying at Rico Blanco's Hotel Mambo. Yes. So, this is what it looks like, guys. Ang ganda niya. Super spacious. As you can see. Wow. Do you want the house tour? Ito yung living room area niya. This is the bunk beds. Hi, Chels.
Kasama ko yan pag nag-check-in.
Yan, so apat siya na single beds. Very nice, it's giving. And then, meron siyang second floor, guys. Wow. So, aakyat tayo dito. Wala lang, pakita ko sa inyo. Ay! May kasama din dito. Isa pa. May freebie din. Oh. So, meron ulit na 4 na single beds here. So, In total, pang 8-pack siya. So, ganyan siya kaluwag, guys. Do you want the house tour? Diba, sobrang lapit ko lang sa ano nila, headroom nila. And then, this is the other one. Oh, so mas mababa pala to. Tingnan nyo. Huh? Wow. It's so scary kapag ano ka na. Parang gusto mo na lang matulog. Baka hindi mo malay, mauntog ka. So, nagpalit na rin pala ako ng damit. Uy, wait lang. Fit check. So, ito yung fit check natin, guys. So, top is from Shein. Cover up talaga siya. Pang dito talaga siya. And then, Rich Boys, of course. Ang itinerary namin ay pupunta kami ng El Union. Yun lang. Yung, di ba yung El Union na yun, marami daw siyang other restaurants and kainan na involved. Meron daw, ano doon, Mango Mama. I'm so excited for that. Yun lang. Salamat. Sino ka? Ang laki nyo. Oh my God. Flabbergaster.
Wow! Flabbergasted.
Spell. Flab.
Gulat na lang. Gulat. Gulat.
안녕하세요.
Hello!
Hi guys! Fit check!
Time check.
Time check.
Top 10.
12:10.
12
We're going to Merienda.
no.
We're going to Merienda. And then we're going to El Union.
Nagugutom na ako.
So tara, let's go.
Tara.
Tara! Sumama ka sa akin, haga ng aking kamay. Sobrang init. Let's go. Eh, ba't kayo La Union? Hi. Hi, madam. We're gonna go to Merienda muna, guys. Ano sasabi? Ano sabi mo?
Mag-e-LU inasal na lang kami kasi yung puno na sa Mirinda, daming tao.
Hi guys! So, we're here at LU Inasal. Mag-order lang kami ng chicken inasal paa. Hi! Ako sa rice. Guys, kain na! Ayaw niyo bang magkamay?
Tambok na kasi ako, Beb.
Tubig. Ay, mag-ano naman tayo. Fried inasal. Apo, hindi ko kasi. Kaya nga, parang
Ginanyan na lang. Marvin. Okay, kami muna. Kami na lang muna. Dalawang dirty horchata ice. Then one dirty champurrado po. That's it. Thank you so much. This is the drinks na. CCTV. Ay, paka-set up ko lang.
nagpaganto ako dati loob. Wala. Ayoko sa ilong. Wala, B eh.
Wala siya eh. Wala. Dance, dance.
Oh.
Video. Hi, yan. Okay guys, so we're out here.
Ate, parang mamaya.
Nag-open po sila ng beach ba?
Diba? Gagawin sana namin payong.
Oo.
Tapos biglang, tara, punta tayo dumaan ka. Para ba?
We're here at Seabuzz. Kasi sobrang init ng araw. So, we needed a place to...
Even against the light.
Saan tayo?
Or gonna, ewan ko, mag-smoothie bowl ata. Tapos after, sa beach na kami.
Totoo na to, for real.
Na super
Ganyan pala yan siya.
Ayun, kita
Oh my gosh, ang
picture.
sarap. Ito friendly to. For beginning kasi smoothie. So, we'll be getting summer day and funky monkey. Share na kaming 7. Sure.
100 each.
Can we get summer day na po?
One summer di boat, anything else?
Funky monkey. Funky na po.
So, sa second floor kami. Kasi mas mahangin daw. Where are they? Yan, yan.
Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang. What's this?
Oh,
What's this?
Like, gumaganyan ka na.
Guys, this is my natural.
Oh my gosh, can you stop?
Monkey, monkey.
Na ganyan. Yan, dessert na kasi. Ang sarap nito. Ang masarap.
Can I try it?
Mas fresh.
Kaglang pa ayoko.
Binibidyoan ko si Marvin daw.
Puro high.
Ay.
Pwede na ulit.
Hi guys, we're here at... Where is this?
Seaside.
Sebay.
Sebay. Sebay. Sebay. Ito ba? Sebay? S-E-B-A-Y. Ah, Sebay. Sabi ni Kuya kung Dr. Sebay, pero ang alam ko Sebay lang.
Ayan. So, ang lakas ng alon guys. It's currently... Anong oras na?
5:07.
Taka lang, wala. It's currently 5:07. And ngayon lang kami lumabas dito kasi kanina sobrang sakit ng sobrang sakit ng araw. How are you feeling right now?
I am feeling good. Kinda good. Yun yung 2026.
Nakita ko pala. Hi! Hi!
It's a beautiful day at the beach. I was losing my mind for about a week till I could call you up. But you are the one. Birds are flying above. We both need a little love. Hiding a million different things. Waiting for the night time to see what it brings. And I'm still living big in my head. Sometimes I feel my heart is there. Maybe tonight we can think I love instead. Yeah, I'm still living big in my head. Sometimes I feel my heart is there. Maybe tonight we can think I love instead. Yes, I know we're not the same. I'm so tired of playing games. You don't have to be so hard.
Kumusta naman po ang ating
Refreshing.
Refreshing. How about you, ma'am?
Okay naman, masaya din.
Okay, okay tayo. Okay tayo. Ikaw. Okay.
Okay lang.
What turns you off, what makes you down? I'll tell you my deepest secrets. I wanna live them out. Hiding a million different things. Waiting for the night time to sing all your ways.
Ang ganda na ng sunset. Ang ganda na ng sunset.
Hiding a million different things. Waiting for the night time.
Wave reaction.
Sometimes I feel my heart is there. Maybe tonight, maybe could I love instead? Yeah, I'm still living deep in my head. Sometimes I feel my heart is there. Maybe tonight, maybe could I love instead?
Hi guys, we're done swimming. Talagang pinaspas kami ng mga...
Swimming exercise
Pinalibag
ata
kami,
yun eh.
Pinalibag kami ng mga alon-alon ba. Yan, we're home. This is my outfit for tonight. Magkakabsat kami and then party! Party! Ayan.
We're going to Kapsat. Wow! Grabe naman sa pala. Mag-dinner kami, guys.
Here at Lotsan. Chelsea! Ang galing mo! This is us after Doodle of Smirnoff.
So fucking weak!
Aray! So, ayan guys, pauwi na kami galing Flotsam. Medyo hindi namin siya vibe. Yan, nakauwi na kami. Hi. Annyeonghaseyo. This is day 2 here in La Union. Annyeonghaseyo. Annyeonghaseyo. Guys, say hi. Hi. Oh, tara. So, papunta kaming Kuro, guys. We're gonna go to Kuroch. Para hindi magulo. So, we're here na sa Kuro. Go inside. Hi! Hi guys, so we're here na sa Kuro. Ayan. So, we're just waiting. Parang kaka-open lang pala din nila. Oo nga eh. So, perfect lang din pala yung alis natin. Right? Hi guys! So, nandito kami sa Kuro, right? Yes. Dito kami sa Kuro for breakfast. And, ang in-order namin ay curbside breakfast, 2 tapsilog, tsaka isang plain lang na waffle. And, share kami doon, guys. Yun lang. Tapos nag-order din sila ng isang matcha latte para titikman lang namin. Kasi next na namin, meron kaming cafe na pupuntahan. Which is another Chelsea recommended place. So, ayun. I'm just so excited. This is my outfit pala, guys. Kakain na tayo. Ay? Guys, we're gonna try matcha latte of Kuro. I'm not a matcha lover, pero let's try. Okay siya, hindi siya lasang plantation. Kain na tayo! Grabe ang gutom ko ba? Ang sarap ng sausage. Gusto ko ba ng sausage? Guys, ang sarap dito. Ubus namin. Parang ilang minutes lang kami kumain. No, ilang minutes lang kayo kumain. Ang bilis. One, two, three. So, we're walking na. We're gonna go to Louis House Cafe.
Você, quando diz que é pra esquecer, tá dando desculpa pra deixar as coisas do jeito que elas são. Esperança ao resto do chão. O teu mantra é deixar pra lá. Se alguém faz do teu corpo peão, te tira do eixo, faz girar. Tremendo nas bases, solução. Você põe na
Americano first, without the sweetener.
é deixar pra lá. Tintim por tintim.
Inhin na.
Na falta questão, melhor deixar pra lá. Venha cambiar pra inquietar teu coração. O duvidoso foi mais longe que o certo. O improviso é mais.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait, anak ko Guys, panoorin nyo na lang yung TikTok ni Joanna. Kasi pinaghirapan namin yun. Ang tanga lang. Ang tanga lang. Ilang minutes namin yung ginawa. Yun yung context. Ang tanga lang. Hi! We just got back. Harvey! Hi! We're back at the hotel. Hi guys! So, we changed outfit. Ito na yung outfit ko. So, pupunta kami ng Dampa. Harvey! Hi! Tayo na lang ako magkasama. Chelsea! Hi!
Taker! Sir, isang order lang po kami ng seafood boil. Yung good for 4 to 5. Anong sauce po na meron? Guys, sauce. Chili garlic, buttered
Cajun.
Ito na lang, sorry. Chili garlic buttered with Cajun. Okay lang po kami for now kaya. Guys, ang in-order po namin is seafood boil. 1,999 for 45 person. At dahil hindi pa kami gutom, yun lang in-order namin. Thank you.
Medyo nagduda si Kuya.
Bakit
Medyo
sabi niya?
nagduda si Kuya sa amin. Sabi niya,
Baka magkulang sa inyo, ma. Mag-soup pa kayo.
wow! Sarap! Yay! Kain!
Ang laki, grabe.
Guys, we're done with the Dampa. Now we're going to Tao Beach Club. Mag-tricycle lang kami.
After namin, nandito na kami sa third, fourth destination. I'm not sure. Nasa Tao Beach Club kayo. Tara! Ang ano ko sa akin, cocktail ay... So guys, dito kami sa Sunset Hours. Thank you! Ang order namin ay...
Vem, vem, carnaval chegou. Vem, vem, carnaval chegou. Vem, vem, carnaval chegou.
Hi! So, let's try. Parang hindi naman tumatapang, te. Titigman ko tong dapat ano ka. Wala naman, te.
Yung ganyan kasi tridor.
Mango shake ka sa akin.
Chegou na massa, chegou. Chegou na praça, chegou. Chegou na massa, chegou. Chegou na praça, chegou. Vem, vem, carnaval chegou. Vem, vem, carnaval chegou. Vem, vem, carnaval chegou. Vem, vem.
I heard you say you like to feel the ocean on your bare feet when the tide is overflowing, and you wonder what it's like out on the planet's other side. I said, who knows what we can find out in a blink. Don't you know the way we could see the world together? We could ride the wind forever.
Guys, nasa-swimming na kami sa beach.
We could ride the wind forever and I over the hills and it's all ours for the taking. Let's do something kind of crazy. Got this feeling, can't escape it. Pack your bags, 'cause I know the way. We can see the world tonight. We can ride the wind forever now. Say we're gonna take us. Have the time of our lives. Set a course so we can fly anywhere we set our eyes. Everywhere we land becomes alive. Every place we stand is on the rise. Nowhere is off limits, we can ride. Fly for the great to find. I believe we might have the time of our lives. Set a course so we can fly anywhere we set our eyes.
Wala, ano nangyari?
On the street, I'm just smiling big at everybody.
Gonna taste it. Cheers, guys, for the pizza.
Gusto ko yung pepperoni. Ay, hindi ko pa na to.
Wala nakaharap sa akin. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Oh,
Pangit natin mag-vlog. Parang bata naman. Dito ako, dito ako. Ay! Uy! Sobrang lalim! Ang sarap! Lalabot ka na ng face. Ay, meron ko gano'n. Pwede po! Hi! Nilalamig ako. Ang tangkad ko sa inyo. For once in my life. Okay, one. Guys, magde-dinner kami sa Kayo. Mag-take over. 9 na! Pero 11 ang close. Right, ma'am. Ice tea. Isa kong ice tea. Ayoko ng rice. Lahat else. Local na siya dito. Ayun!
Baby back ribs lahat ng order namin.
Chelsea, yun ang bibilhin.
Sino nagsabi? Sino nagsabi?
Nagkakapit.
Don't let him in, you have to kick him out, get free. Don't be afraid.
Ready ba naman?
Kita yung buong
Guys, na rin ako ng gamit.
Ito na lang laruin natin.
Game night!
Sa akin 9. Sino pa?
Bawal
Wait, ba't mousse, tapos tilapia. Basta pag magbababa ka, hindi mo sisilipin. Tako. Sabi ko tako. Kung sino magbababa, siya magsasabi. Tako. Oy! Hindi. Ewan ko ba't may black na cut na pampalito.
Pampalito lang siya. Ikaw. Ako.
Grabe yung energy.
Oo. Hindi ayos pa lang. Hindi, ganito rin kasi. Ate. Pero okay yung siguro.
Oo, okay naman.
Oo, din tayo.
Okay, valid. Go promo cards na.
Oo, dito na lang tayo. Dito kayo para sa CR. Malakbong tayo. Tapos, ang init ba? Ayaw ko tuloy lumabas bukas. Hindi tayo lumabas.
Ma'am, sa lubong mo. Hindi lumabas. Hindi na nag-check out mo.
Oo, tayo lagi. Pag nagbago sa timer, meron kumakata.
It's checkout time! Gosh. Pero hindi pa kami alis, guys. Mamaya pa kami big aalis. Pero, mag-check out na muna. Bye! Check out time. We're gonna be going to Masa Hi guys! So, papunta kaming Masa for breakfast.
So, nakapag-check out na kami, guys. We're clear. And later, babalik na lang kami para makapag-shower. And then, lalabas ulit siguro kami later after na
accept card payments pa.
Cash and online payment lang.
Okay. Thank you. Cash at saka online payment lang daw. So we're here at Moswalk. We're gonna try
Shakashuka morning beef.
shakashuka morning beef and grilled cheese beef. 200. Uy, okay lang yung mga prices. Ganda dito, guys.
Ganda nga.
No? I like the ideas of every restaurant na napupuntahan natin. Wow. This is the Spanish Lottery. Lottery. Chelsea Reco. Thank you, Marvy, guys. This is special though. Taste test. Taste test, Spanish latte. Not a coffee connoisseur, pero let's try. Same. Taste test. Oh,
Lasang ano? Lasang-lasa yung...
there's a hint of coconut. Parang morning beef. Morning beef. Thanks.
Masala.
The mother. Diyan din kami next. 1, 2. Gitera. Ay, 10 out of 10. Perfect.
I feel it in my heart beating. I feel it in my heart beating. I feel it in my heart beating.
Action.
I feel it in my heart beating. I feel it in my heart beating.
Morning beef. Let's taste shakshuka. Here.
Dali yung cheese, oh. Minute.
To a destination I don't know, but I'm headed home. And it feels just like the start of the summer. This life
Guys, tara! Ang pangit. Photo po tayo dito sa Photomatic.
Guys, we're lining up for the photo booth.
they fall for each other. I think we're on to something radical. Like something over magical. I feel it in my heart beating. 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 You feel like sunlight. You're my immunity. It's got me locked in the warmest chemistry. With love and chaos. It's tangy and it's sweet. But I don't want calm if you're not here with me. Oh, I'm feeling taking over me. Heal my system, you're the remedy.
planets other side. I said, who knows what we can find out anyway. Don't you know the way we can see the world together? We could ride the wind forever and say we let it take us. I believe we might have the time of set a course so we can fly anywhere we it's both the one way. Don't you know the thrill?
Guys, we're swimming here at the Kamsa area. Ito na guys.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Every place we stand is on the rise. Nowhere is off limits, we can ride. Fight for the
Uy, I'm hungry.
I believe we might have the time of our lives.
Guys, yung goal namin sa aming last dinner place is iba-ibang ulam para all out na. So,
Yes. Sige. Yes! Videoke! Videoke game! Ibang minamahal.
0, 0, 1, 6. Bakit ka ba makalating? Hindi pinapansin ang damdamin ko.
Hindi ko na alam eh.
Naubos na ang daw sa kakate. Kung sino-sino mang tinatawagan mo, nandito lang naman ako. Sino-sino mang tinatawagan mo,
Hindi ko yan alam.
suko. Kahit kalaso din ang iwanalito.
Set a course so we can fly.
Bye, LU. Hey, gonna go home. We're gonna go home. Tama ba to? Hinarap. Guys, ito yung aming
Dari sa tapos kasi puno na natin. Ganito yung mga oras. Saka lang mababakati yan, mga alas 3 na madaling araw.
Chelsea Savior is here. Ayan.
Ilan sila? Ay, anong pangalan ng club din?
We're here!